So today, my friends, we'll talk about how to increase max volume and sound quality on iPhone and headphones. I'm going to share a few tips and tricks which will drastically improve your device's volume and the quality of sound. With that being said, let's dive in. All right, so first of all, let's talk about how to increase iPhone's speakers volume. Your iPhone comes with two speakers, one on the bottom and one on the top. In order to manually, in terms of software, to increase this, there's only one thing you can do to increase the volume of your iPhone, and that is within settings. If you open this up and then scroll all the way down where it says music over here, as you guys can see, and this is an old tried method, which is changing the EQ. If you just open up EQ over here, by default it will be set to off. What you need to do is change it to late night, and you're going to see a drastic improve in the volume of your iPhone just by the software side of things. But in order to increase the volume in terms of hardware, there is only one option you have, which is to clean your speakers with a soft brush. If you don't have a dedicated brush to clean the speakers over here and over here, what you can do is you can use an old toothbrush, but make sure it's not too harsh. Make sure it's a little bit softer. And then what you need to do is make sure your speakers are looking on the bottom, because the dust needs to come off, and then just slightly brush the speakers so the dust falls off, as well as do this on the top over here, face this down, and then with the brush clean the speakers facing it down as well. Once you've done that, you're gonna see a drastic improve in the volume of your iPhone, especially if you've been using your iPhone for a long time and the dust has been accumulated. This is gonna make a lot of difference. All right, so now that we've covered the volume of iPhone, let's talk about sound quality, because there is actually a way to improve the sound quality of iPhone. To access this, open up your settings, and then once again go to music, scroll all the way down to music, open this up, and then first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure the sound check is turned on. Over here, as you guys can see, by default this might be off. All you need to do is turn this on, and then the next thing you need to do while you're over here, you're gonna click on cellular streaming, open this up. So by default this will be set to high efficiency. All you need to do to improve the sound quality, you need to set to high quality. Although it will take up more cellular data, it's going to dramatically boost the quality of your sound. So moving on now, if you're using headphones, especially AirPods or AirPods Pro, there are a number of different tricks you can do that can boost both the volume and improve the sound quality. First of all, let's check if you have not limited the volume by yourself. In order to check this, open up your settings and then go to sound and haptics all the way over here. And then from here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down to headphone safety, and boom, right here by default, or maybe you did it on your own, you might have enabled reduce loud audio. So what this does essentially is that it's going to reduce the volume of your iPhone to protect your ears. So you can either set this to all the way up top so that the decibels are 100% or 100 decibels, I should say, or you can completely turn this off. That way it's not going to reduce the audio volume by itself. So this is the first thing that you can check. The next thing we need to do to increase the volume of headphones, we need to go to settings one more time, scroll all the way down to accessibility, and then from here go to audio and visual all the way on the bottom, and then go to headphone accommodations, and by default this will be turned off. You need to turn this on, and bam, you will have this over here, slight, moderate, and strong, and set this to all the way up top to strong. Soft sound will be boosted slightly, moderately, or strongly. We want to boost it strongly. That way you're going to see a drastic improvement in the volume of your headphones, especially on AirPods or AirPods Pro. And now to improve the quality of the volume that's coming out of your headphones, what we need to do is we can mess around with the tune audio. Over here we have balance, vocal range, or brightness, but even better thing to do is make a custom audio setup by clicking over here. Over here, as you guys can see, make sure your pods or any other headphones are connected while you're doing this, and put these on, put the headphones on into your ear, so that way you can listen. You're going to continue with this process. You can either add audiogram or you can skip it for now, but make sure over here connect your headphones. You need to go ahead and connect your headphone. It is connected. You have to, as I said, put it in your ear. Let me just put them in my ear. Just like so. Now I can continue, and it's gonna ask, are you hearing? Can someone hear you? I'm just gonna say no. Can you hear someone speaking? Yes. Just need to follow up all the prompts that it gives you. Now this one is a lot louder, version 2. So boom, just like that, if you set up a custom audio setup, you can improve the sound quality based on your preferences, and it will make a lot of difference in my opinion. So now that we've covered the iPhone's volume, sound quality, headphones volume, and sound quality, how can you improve the call quality if there is any way? Of course, there is a way to improve. There is a feature within setting that will improve the call quality. To access this, you can either do it within the settings and turn on noise cancellation, or you can just swipe down to access control center and change the mic mode over here to voice cancellation. This way it's going to cancel out all the background noise, especially if you're in the public crowd and you have a lot of noise. This is going to make a lot of difference. It will improve the sound quality. Person who you're talking with is going to notice a lot of sound quality improvement. So this is definitely a good feature to turn it on. But nonetheless, there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out this video which talks about iOS 17 settings that you need to turn off now. With that being said, peace out.